Hello friends, this is a survey of the impact drivers. I have the cheapest, the lowest cost impact drivers I have obtained so far from Amazon. This is the Letton. It is rated at 200 and I think I said it's 203 foot-pounds. It is a brushed motor. It was for $38. It is no longer available. I just checked. It came with these tools and a plug-in power supply. It came with 6 like this. And the difference between this one and the next one is, the biggest one I can see is this gap right here. This is longer. So this goes, these are their tools, the bits it came with go in and it holds. It holds it. So moving on. I'm gonna need this one for a demo. Okay, this one just came recently. It's called the powersmart. This is introducing the powersmart. This one is $50. It came in a box with nothing else. It's rated at 133 foot-pounds, and it comes with a power supply power supply stand and a belt clip and the box. That's it. And it's $50. And the reason I pointed that out is because this is a tool bit from something else, which works fine. So let me pop this one out. Let's try this one in there. It doesn't hold. It won't hold it. And I think that's because this is possible to pull this out. I don't know. I wasn't going to try. So I think that's a big limiting factor for the powersmart. But it's 50. It's 133 foot-pounds, and it's brushed. As you can actually tell, because the brushless ones are shorter. They're shorter. Yeah. So this one's next. This one is the toy tool. I just looked it up, and it is now going for $70. No, I'm sorry. This one is toy tool. It's going for $55. And it came with a soft bag. It came with a soft bag. It is 130-ish foot-pounds. And it also came with these bits. These came with these bits. And does it hold this one? Probably not, because it's got a short collar. Yep, short collar. I don't know if that can be adjusted. And this, the plug-in power brick. So the last one is Nuttall. I just looked it up. This Nuttall is going for $70. The Nuttall also comes with the same style of power brick. The Nuttall is also rated at 130 foot-pounds, And it comes with this bag of, this little box of tool bits and a tool bit adapter. Oh, one other major difference between these impact drivers. The new tool has the light coming from here, the bottom, and it points up. Let me tilt the camera so I can show you. Let's back it up a little bit. That's the light for the new tool. It's there. Put it back in lock. New tool 70. And toy has the light coming from the bottom. Let's point this one over here. Let's see, come right, yep, you see it. 54. Just looked it up. The PowerSmart, which is 50, and that just came in the box. The light is what's underneath. There you go. And the Leton also has a light coming from underneath. Leton was 37, but like I said, it is no longer available. Well, 37.99. So that is my survey of impact drivers. I'll let you decide which. This one is no longer available. But if you were very limited on money, I would have said this one. If you wanted to go brushless, I would say the toy. And this one is 50 with a big power supply. Let's see what, and so, yeah, this is a big power supply. Perhaps it lasts longer than the others. Let me see if I can quickly look that up for you. Oh, I wanted to lock it. Again, the instruction book. Charge time is 1 hour. Bear with me as I flip through this. Well, let's just see if it has it underneath the battery. .5 amp hours is the PowerSmart. 1.5 amp hours. The Leton is 1.3. The toy, let's see what the toy says. 2 amp hours. That's probably because it's brushless. And the last one is the new tool, which goes for 70. Let's see if the battery is a difference on battery. Okay. 2 amp hours. Most probably because it's brushless. All right, friends, that's my little survey of low-cost impact drivers.